Hey guys, good morning.
We just came to another fork in the road right down here, and we took a right.
There was a house here, a big house. This neighborhood, there's a lot of big houses, older houses from the 50s, 60s. So they got a big circle driveway, and so this house looked like it was pretty big. So, and there's another one back there. So I'm gonna swing around here a little bit, and then there's actually like I think it's like a hospital that was tore down, so I might go down there too. Cool. Literally my first swing. I don't know what it is. It's not gold. I don't think it's some kind of metal though. And then also looks like there's a penny spill right here. There's one there. There's a couple over here. So I'll pick these up real quick and I'll keep going. Like 2 weeks. Sweet. Awesome. This yard is massive. It would probably take me several trips to do the whole thing. It's just huge. It just goes all the way around. And I don't know how many, it's probably at least 2 or 3 acres. I'm gonna keep hunting though. A lot of sidewalks. Just another penny. It's always good to hunt edges of sidewalks though. People drop them and they roll off the side of the concrete. So I'm just going up and down all these sidewalks on both sides. Then I'll start gridding back and forth. Finally got a key. Haven't found much out here, but it's cool. Coal National. Cool. So this is kind of funny. I was just stopping by to check out this new spot and I saw this on the ground. Guessing somebody was already here. Probably number 2 today. Sweet. '64, getting older. All right. So I had a little mishap. I broke my shovel. So I went and grabbed a new one. And I'm back at the park. Just dug up a penny, it looks like. It's a big old park, so keep on swinging. Been out here way too long. Messed up quarter. Actually, I don't think it's a quarter. Not sure what it is. Maybe a token? It might be a Mexican peso. I think it says peso. Sweet. That's a good way to end the day. Let's see if I can clean it up some more. I believe it's a peso. Cool. Hey guys, felt like it was kind of a weird hunt today. Went to like 3 or 4 different places and it just felt like it was a slow hunt today. Over the day I collected quite a few modern coins. Best finds are probably the 2 marbles here. I'll show you real quick. This is what I found today. A couple marbles today. First time I ever found a marble was I think last week. So I found 2 today, which was really cool. Found a key. Not sure what this is. I'm gonna look that up. It says 2002, not too old, whatever it is. And then a bunch of clad. Several quarters, probably the most quarters I've dug one day. And then the coolest find, I think this is a peso, Mexican peso maybe. It's really hard to tell. I'm gonna try to get it underwater when I get home, clean it up. And then this was, I think, a necklace. It's kind of heavy. I don't think it's, obviously, it might be gold plated, not sure. But on the sides of the snake heads, it looks like there was little clips where it might have been a necklace at one time and it was broke. There's one on each side here. And then this Garrett pin. How about that? Found it at a place I was gonna go check out. So found a couple new coins there. I'm gonna go back to that spot at some point, but good day overall. I'm happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next week.